Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making some easy sticky pecan rolls. All you're going to need is 5 tablespoons of soft butter. You'll need a half a cup of chopped pecans. I probably will chop them up a little bit more. Need 6 tablespoons of light or dark brown sugar packed, and this is for the topping. Okay, for the rolls, we're going to need 1 package of frozen puff pastry with 2 sheets, and you need to defrost that. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I have a little bit more. And a half a cup of light brown sugar packed. Okay, first we're going to take our softened butter and our brown sugar, the 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to combine that together. I'm going to mix this up and I'll be back. Okay, I got this all mixed up. Now you want to divide it. Put some in each muffin cup. I've got this sprayed, and then I've got a full pan underneath it in case there's some comes out. It's said about a tablespoon each, so I'm going to take 1 spoon and then stick some in there. Just going to spread it out a little. It don't say to do that, but now I'm going to take the pecans and then put some in each muffin cup. This would be a probably quick and easy breakfast for Thanksgiving or Christmas. It's pretty quick. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Okay, I've got my puff pastry unwrapped here. You need to have this thawed. It says to unwrap your puff pastry and put the lines going left to right. I'm assuming that's how they're wanting it. I don't know. Okay. Okay, you're going to take your melted butter and put half on one and half on the other. Just brush it on. Okay, now you're going to take your brown sugar and you're going to sprinkle it on. You want half of it on one, half of it on the other. Just going to sort of spread that out a little bit. Now we're going to sprinkle the cinnamon on, half on one, half on the other. Probably would have been better if I got a little this right here, can't think of the name right now, and sprinkled it on like that. Now you're going to take the end nearest you, y'all see that, and start rolling it up. Now we're going to pinch these seams together. And put it on its seam there and sort of roll it a little bit. Now you want to cut these in 6 pieces each, so I'm going to try to third it here. And then cut it one more time in half. Third it. And cut that in half. Mine's not going to be all the same, but that's okay. Now I'm just going to put each one, so I'll do it this way, down in the, on top of your pecan mixture. That one's a little bit tall. Then what you're going to do is place this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. You can put a plastic wrap over it. And if you want to do this ahead of time, you can put plastic wrap over it and you can set it in your refrigerator for up to 24 hours. So you could do it the night before and have it for breakfast the next morning. So it'd be a real good breakfast for Thanksgiving or Christmas. I'll put these in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Okay, it's been in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. I'm going to take the plastic wrap off. If you let these set overnight or up to 24 hours, you do the same thing. You take them out of the refrigerator and then you preheat your oven to 400 and bake them the same. We're going to bake these in a 400 degree oven for 18 to 24 minutes until they're medium golden brown, and then we'll be back. Okay, here they are out of the oven. We're going to let these set for 5 minutes. Okay, it's set for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to put some parchment paper over it. And then I'm going to take the pan that I had aluminum foil on underneath it. And then we're going to try to flip this. Okay. The recipe says let this set for 2 minutes and then we'll see if it all will come out. Okay, let's see if they come out. Oh no, they're not coming out. Well, some of them are. A few of them. Okay. We'll have to get them out. Story of my life.
See, folks, we show the whole thing, whether it turns out
They
or
look
not.
good anyway. Let's see. We're going to have to put some. Okay. I'm just going to put the ones what's left in here. I'll just scrape it out and put it on top. Let's plate it up. Okay, here it is plated up. Doug, Daniel, give it a try.
Okay. Delicious. Really good.
This over here. It's really good. We put the pecans, what was left in the pan, on top. This would be a really good breakfast.
Well, you said you can put it in the refrigerator for like 24 hours.
Yeah, I already
Oh,
told
okay.
that. But yep, make a head and stick them in the oven the next morning. You probably wouldn't have as hard a time as me. My muffin pan's well used, so well, I want to thank.
It's a hit, folks.
It's
It's
great.
a keeper.
All right, well, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching From near and far, your support it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.